Have you ever watched a culinary competition on television and wished you could taste the food? At Top Chef Downtown Iowa City, you'll find no backstabbing, no drama,
How's it going?
just friendly competition and delicious food.
Come to Grapes Deluxe. It's the best.
We're at the Graduate Iowa City, and there's a lot. So there's a lot of delicious bites, I would say. There's beverages to taste, and there's a lot of desserts. There's about 500 people attending this event, and they'll be wandering around sampling different dishes, drinks, and desserts from 29 different restaurants and bars in Iowa City.
Foodies who live to taste all the latest delights that the restaurant scene has to offer can try it all here in one place.
Buttering my buns as fast as I can. We've got little Mo Burger sliders, cheddar cheese, a pepper aioli, avocado puree, and then some bacon jam. Really the star of the burger.
Chefs and sous chefs are working hard to impress the crowd and the judges with their culinary expertise.
We're looking for flavor. We're looking for delicious food. A lot of the competitors here, the dishes that they're preparing, they've made them over and over and over again, so they should be pretty good.
A panel of 7 judges will be choosing their favorite items in each of 3 categories: entree, dessert, and mixology. Competitors can also win the People's Choice Awards, which are selected by a popular vote.
I had the short ribs with the squash, and it was very tasty. I'm gonna try all of them, maybe.
I don't know yet. I think I know for the drink, it's the mojito. But I don't know about for the food yet.
We are making a chocolate cup with bourbon fudge, bacon, and a creme brulee banana.
It's really good.
Are we gonna survive the day?
I don't know if I'll have enough room in my
Yeah,
stomach.
this is stop number 2, and I don't know if we'll be able to get
I don't know.
everything.
We'll see. We're gonna give it our best shot.
The mixology competition was where the people and the judges completely parted ways in their opinions.
This drink here, Grandma's Cocktail, is made with peanut butter whiskey, Jim Beam apple, hot apple cider, and a splash of sour mix. And in here is a little dehydrated apple slice. It is to die for.
Oh God, it's so good.